Great news for everyone who want to travel to Singapore, vaccinated and non-vaccinated. From February 13, 2023 onwards, COVID-19 requirements for travelers arriving in Singapore will be removed. That means for fully vaccinated visitors. All fully vaccinated visitors are welcome in Singapore. And there is still no need for entry approvals, pre-departure tests, on-arrival tests, or quarantine. Your pre-departure checklist. 1. Previously, you need to obtain proof of vaccination, now is not required. 2. Secure tickets for any flight to Singapore. 3. Previously, you need to download the TraceTogether app and register your profile, now is not required. 4. 3 days before departure, submit SG arrival card and e-health declaration through the official and free e-service on the Immigration and Checkpoints Authority (ICA) website. For non-fully vaccinated visitors. Non-fully vaccinated visitors still will not be required to complete a 7-day stay-home notice (SHN) or take an exit (SHN) polymerase chain reaction (PCR) test. Your pre-departure checklist. 1. Previously, you need COVID-19 travel insurance with at least $30,000 in medical coverage, now is not required. 2. Previously, 2 days before departure, take a COVID-19 polymerase chain reaction (PCR) test or professionally administered antigen rapid test (ART), now is not required. 3. Include the checklist previously mentioned for fully vaccinated visitors. In summary, for both vaccinated and non-vaccinated visitors, you just need the following. 1. Secure tickets for any flight to Singapore. 2. Minimum 6-month passport validity. 3. Any visa required for your respective countries to enter Singapore. 4. 3 days before departure, submit SG arrival card and e-health declaration through the official and free e-service on the Immigration and Checkpoints Authority (ICA) website. Stepping down on existing COVID-19 measures. With the latest COVID-19 measures updates, explore the best of Singapore with greater peace of mind and ease. Mask wearing. From February 13, 2023, mask wearing is not required on public transport, indoor healthcare and residential care settings. Members of the general public, particularly the elderly and immunocompromised, are strongly encouraged to wear masks if they are 1. In crowded places. 2. Unwell with symptoms of COVID-19 and need to leave home. 3. Interacting with medically vulnerable persons. Ministry of Health will continue to require visitors, staff, and patients to wear masks in healthcare and residential care settings where there is physical interaction with patients or care is being delivered to patients, as well as in indoor patient-facing areas. The Singapore Food Agency still requires food handlers to wear a mask or spit guard to ensure food safety. Mask wearing requirements can be maintained as company policy to ensure workplace health and safety or as part of business continuity plans. Standing down other safe management measures, SMMs. Except for mask wearing in healthcare settings, these other SMMs will be inactive from February 13, 2023. 1. Group size limit. 2. Work from home. 3. Safe distancing. 4. Capacity limits. Enterprises may continue their own SMMs as company policy to ensure workplace health and safety or as part of their business continuity plans. Keep yourself updated. Travel restrictions and safe distancing rules may change at short notice. For updates on Singapore's COVID-19 situation, refer to Ministry of Health and Government SG. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click and subscribe and comment below.